Hi guys, this is Subbu and welcome to MSB Talks. In this video, I'm going to talk about, I'm going to recommend three films that I really loved in recent times. The first film is What We Did on Our Holiday. This film is written and directed by Andy Hamilton and Guy Jerkin, and the film stars David Tennant, who's a very like a biggest star in Scotland. Yeah, and Rosamund Pike was like a badass character. She have played a lot of badass characters like Gone Girl, or even recently she played a fantastic role in I Care a Lot. Yeah, like so, and Denny Connolly also played a very important role in this film. And the film is a light-hearted one, and it's talking about a death. Okay, like at one point it used to talk about death. Yeah, first like the thing. Okay, it's a spoiler. It's not going to be a spoiler. Okay, this film is not about the story. The story is not so unique one. Okay, it's not something like an Inception one. Okay, or any something which will have some unique story. It's not like that. This film is something more of watching it and experiencing it and loving it. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so it was very colorful. The film was shot so beautifully by Martin Harkins. Okay, I have to say this. And I don't want to talk about the other aspects. I mean, other aspects of the films like music or anything. I really want to talk about the performances. It was really brilliant, and moreover that the thing they want to discuss in this film. Yeah, first the film starts like a they are going to celebrate a birthday, but at the end it was okay, somebody died. Okay, then like both were totally contrast, and the way it handled it, like that's the uh, that's the beauty of this film. Yeah, and even about a death they handled it in a very funny way, and you you like nobody couldn't believe that these people have done that. I mean, they haven't killed them, but they have done something that is very interesting. I think you all should go watch the film so that you'll get to know what it is. Like, and it's something like you should have to watch this film with your family. So like a very feel good film. Please go and watch the film. This film is available on Amazon Prime. And then another film. Okay, and one thing is like all these three films that I'm going to recommend in this video is available on Amazon Prime Video. Yeah, view. Yeah. Okay, and the next film is Unhinged. It's an action thriller. It's an American action thriller film starring Russell Crowe, Pistorius, like Carl Pistorius. I mean, sorry, I'm naming this. Karen Pistorius and Bateman. Okay, yeah. So like I think I just forget her name, like Gabriel Bateman, yeah. And the film was written by Carl Ellsworth, and it was directed by Derek Bote, yeah. But it's something like, oh my God, how good an action film it is! Like, you like when Russell Crowe is like, when Russell Crowe is looking at that women, like we feel bad, like oh my God, it's something like we used to scare, I scared when that guy gave that kind of a look, you know. It's not something like a ghost should have to scare you. No, no need for that. When Fahad Fazil is looking at you like this in Gumalangi Nights means you scare. That's the great thing about actors, and that's what this man did in this film. Like he was absolutely evil. He was absolutely evil in this film. Yeah, and it's fantastic performance from both Russell Crowe and Karen Pistorius, and also the cinematography editing was really top notch in this film. Yeah, and moreover this sound designing, because like it's more about this film is about a road rage thing. Okay, so few of the scenes were happening like most of the scenes were happening in this road, like this car and all. So the sound designing and like the action film definitely deserves a fantastic sound design, and that is what this film had. Fantastic sound designing. I really don't know who did that, but it was amazing. And the cinematography by Brendan Galvin, and the editing by Steven Merkwich and Tim Merkwich, and also Michael Makesser, who also done this editing in this film. Yeah, and the music is composed by David Berkeley, and the background score was so good because that will make you thrill. Okay, because like when this guy is chasing that woman, Russell Crowe is chasing Karen Pistorius. Yeah, like we feel bad, like oh my god, something is gonna happen there. Okay, yeah, yeah, like we always care a lot when we're watching this film. When like whenever this guy is cheating on them, yeah, we feel like that guy is chasing us. Okay, at one point or like the car is going to hit me. I thought that the car is going to hit me because that level of a cinematography by Brandon Calvin, it was amazing, man. It just pulled you into the, it just definitely pulled you into the film. It pulled me. That's why I'm saying this. Yeah, and please, if you're a fan of action thriller, like please go and check it out. This film, like this is completely a, it's a treat for you, man. Yeah, and the next film is it's an Indian film. It's in a Marathi language comedy drama. Like not sorry, it's a Marathi language drama film, starring Prasad Oak and Tambe and Sanmay Sanjeev. Yeah, and the film like except Prasad Oak, nobody's big star. I mean, they haven't acted before. I guess they are all debutants, and the film was directed by, written and directed by Abhijit Mohan Varam. He's also a debutant director, and like it's a film. It's a very short film, man. It's a 73-minute film. Okay, and thank you for Ronak Mango. I think he's the one who suggested all these films. That's why I'm just suggesting all these films to you all. Yeah, he posted about these films in Twitter. Okay, and he tweeted he tweeted about them, and also he posted a video recommending all these films. That's why I'm also doing it, like but like okay, yeah, okay, yeah. And this film is a short film, and like short film in the sense the length was very short in a feature film. Okay, it was 73-minute film, and like it was very simple. It's just about a night. It's about very simple. It's not like, yeah, the story was so simple, but they handled it in a very beautiful way. Okay, they make you connected, like the place it was shot. Okay, it was like a, it's like a forest, like a, that day it was raining, and that added even more beauty to the film. The cinematography by Stanley Muda was like, he had a color. Okay, he had a vision in his mind. I think that is what we have seen in the film too, because it was that beautiful, man, that beautiful. Yeah, even Maharashtra itself a beautiful city, but I don't know where this film was shot, because that is a shot where like it's a vast river, and those shot and all, like amazing, man. And even the house of this Prasad Oak, and that house, like there is to be greeneries. I mean, there's like greeneries in the house. I mean, I'm talking about, oh my god, that was amazing, man. That was so pleasant. Okay, when you're watching that, and the performance of Prasad Oak is like top notch, man, top notch. And even the small boy, I think his name is Tambai, Tambi, or Sanmay Sanjeev. I don't know correctly, but that small boy who played as a son of Prasado, he also delivered a fantastic performance. And also, I mean, this like it's there were a lot of songs in the film. I don't know whether it is composed for this film or not, but I think the music of Han Lunkat also helped for the for the success of, not for the success, like this film is a good film now. Okay, this is a good film, so it added even more sense. Okay, yeah. And the editing was done by Ashik Gatade, Yeah. And yeah, it's about like at one point the film turned to be like, first you think, oh, something is bad gonna happen, but at the end it turned out to be something, okay. And it's about some art form, okay. It's about drama, it's about uh, drawing, painting, okay. So it's something very very like if you're an artist, you can relate to it. And more than relating, it's a feel good film, man. Like it's a feel good film, it's a drama film, like you can watch it with your family. Yeah, like after watching the film you'll have some smile in your face. That's the best thing about this film, all I can say. Yeah. And all these three films were available on Amazon Prime. Please go and check it out then. Yeah, and that's it for this video. I'll see you all in the next video, and thanks for watching this video.